you, Mitch. That's awesome. Listen, guys, you had to be there to hear the conversation, to hear how passionate they were about what we're doing. So thanks so much, Mitch. All right, we're going to go to Robert. Go right ahead, sir.
Good morning, folks. I'm still in Myrtle Beach, waiting to catch a flight. So the thing that I got most was the realization that fear was still a feature of my life. I thought I had dealt with that. I've been dealing with it for 80 years, basically, and that was amazing. The other thing that I got from it was in the breakout with Brian Carruthers, he asked us to go around and commit to being PCQ from here on out. And I did that, and boy, did that hit me. I had my hand over my heart, and that commitment was so strong, it just blew my mind, frankly. And so if I didn't get anything else out of it, and the social media presentations by Brittany and Melissa, and I think Brittany was the one that said, just do it, just get started. You don't have to be doing what we're doing, because they've been in it for 15 years. And I said, yes. So that's my other takeaway. Thank you.